we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this musical artist. We'll be looking at how to say more music celebrity names as well. So how do you say it? Well, we're gonna be looking at how he says it himself. Okay, so we're on his own YouTube channel right here, and let's listen to how he says it himself.
Some people say love, some people say LAUV. It's LAUV. My mom's side of the family is from a country called Latvia. I just remember looking up what the Latvian word for lion was, because Ari means lion and I'm a Leo.
Yeah, so did you hear that? He explains it a bit further right here, the origin of the name.
I found
and how to say
LAUV,
it
so then I got
properly.
rid of the A, and it was LAUV, and it just felt right.
So yeah, you
so
got
then I
this?
got rid of the A, and it was LAUV, and it just felt right.
LAUV is how to pronounce it. LAUV. And now you know, right? More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it useful. Thank you.